This compact projector is built to deliver a complete home cinema experience without taking up much space. The small Projector Reflex Projection Home Cinema Ultra Short Throw Projector is designed to bring theater-like visuals and sound right into your room, combining portability, performance, and user-friendly features. The design is sleek and minimal, which makes it easy to fit on a table, shelf, or entertainment center. Its ultra-short throw lens allows it to sit just inches from a wall while producing a large, immersive image. This means even in small rooms or apartments, it can project a screen big enough to feel cinematic. Picture quality is impressive for a mini projector. It supports full HD resolution, producing sharp images with rich colors and balanced contrast. Movies, streaming content, and gaming all look detailed and vibrant. Even with some ambient light, the projector maintains brightness, giving a clear and enjoyable viewing experience without the need for a darkened room. Setup is straightforward and fast. Whether connecting via HDMI, USB, or wireless options, it gets ready in minutes. The built-in speakers are louder than expected for a device of this size, delivering good audio quality for everyday use. For a more immersive sound experience, external speakers or a soundbar can be easily connected. The projector also comes with smart features. Many streaming apps can be accessed directly, eliminating the need for an external device. The interface is intuitive and responsive, so browsing for content is simple. Screen mirroring is supported, allowing devices such as smartphones and tablets to project their screens instantly, which adds another layer of convenience. Portability is a major advantage. This projector is light enough to carry between rooms and even outside the backyard living rooms. Despite the small size, it's a powerful device capable of transforming any space into a cinematic environment. The ultra-short throw lens has functional benefits beyond size. It reduces shadows and keeps images proportional, which is helpful when multiple people are in a room. Adjustable settings for brightness, contrast, and keystone direction allow for personalized display optimization, so every scene looks perfect. Energy efficiency and quiet operation make it ideal for extended viewing sessions. The projector stays cool and the low noise fan does not interfere with audio, creating a comfortable and distraction-free environment. This projector is an affordable solution for those seeking a mini home theater experience. It's versatile enough for streaming, gaming, and movies, while remaining compact, portable, and user-friendly. With its combination of high-quality visuals, immersive audio, and flexible setting options, it's a device that enhances any entertainment space. To experience full home cinema in a small, ultra-short throw projector, check the link in the description. This projector is designed to deliver big screen performance in a compact package, making it a perfect addition to any home entertainment setup.